writing. Mobile phones are now used by millions of people. Write an article for your school magazine to state the advantages and the disadvantages of mobile phones. These suggestions may help you. Advantages: communicate freely, texting, taking pictures, sending messages, etc. Disadvantages: dangerous when driving, no face-to-face communication, etc. Finally, give your opinion. Nowadays, mobile phones are used by millions of people all over the world. They have changed the way we live, study, and communicate. However, there are many advantages and disadvantages of mobile phones. First of all, mobile phones make communication easy and fast. Students can call their friends, send text messages, and stay in contact with family members. Phones also allow us to take pictures and record videos to keep memories or to use in school projects. In addition, many educational applications help students learn new vocabulary, practice grammar, and search for information quickly on the internet. On the other hand, mobile phones have disadvantages too. They can be very dangerous when people use them while driving or crossing the street. Phones may also reduce face-to-face communication because many students prefer texting instead of talking. Another problem is distraction. Social media, games, and notifications can waste a lot of study time and affect school results. To conclude, mobile phones are important tools in our daily life. They give us many advantages for communication and learning, but they also have serious problems. In my opinion, students should use phones in a responsible way. They should follow school rules, avoid using them while driving, and focus more on real communication. If we use them wisely, mobile phones can help us succeed.